What a beast. Ready to go fishing. Out here with the boys from Fish on Bait and Burley. Gonna go out and catch some snapper. What are we gonna go and do?
Today we're gonna bag out on snapper again.
Again?
Again. We've bagged out so far.
They've been going out without me. Been catching bloody snapper without me. Imagine that.
Today, Link, it's all about releasing for me. My freezer's full, mum's happy, dad's happy, aunties, uncles, cousins, all happy with snapper. So, for me, it's about releasing.
Sort of works for me as well because my missus already told me I'm not allowed to take fish home.
Getting our bait ready. As you can see, Fish on Bait and Burley freezer. Eamon's getting the rods ready.
All the way out there.
And we're going out to have a very good day.
Bucket of burley. I've got a backpack and a rod. Fling a few plastics around while we're out there. They can burley up, bring the fish in, and I'll try and catch it. Sounds like a good plan for me.
Yes. At the bottom.
Fish there, fish there, fish there, fish there.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna come through now.
Now we're gonna catch it.
Fresh IQF silver whiting. The size, beautiful for the snapper. And our fresh local IQF pilchards. All of it's local. So, that's the start of the combination.
Now they're gonna burley the hell out of this place.
That's what
with the red bullets.
Yep, open them up.
Bring the reds in.
So sprinkle around all the rods.
Just a bit of a sprinkle, Wally.
Yep.
Now, what,
spark it up a bit, yeah? Spark up the water.
Wally loves to sprinkle it. Now, what I like to do, I like to throw them more towards the front of the boat, on the left and right hand side, so they sit right under your boat.
So I've got 2 fish on already. You hooked up still, Wally? Yeah.
Oh, big fish. Big fish.
Yeah, good one.
Big fish.
All right. Like you've never seen us happen before. It's okay, mate. Open your bail arm. Open your bail arm, mate. That's okay. So there's another one here as well, Link. So we're gonna go for the double whammy in the net. And there you have it.
Look at that.
On silver wiring.
Wally.
Silver wiring.
We were here for like 2 minutes.
So guys, this is what you call red bullet action.
How long? 2 minutes?
Not even.
No, but
From a double hookup to a double hookup.
You know what? I think we're going to go for a third. Do you want to bait this up, young man?
Yeah.
Look at this.
See, that's what you call red bullet action.
that feels good.
Yeah, this is a better one.
Oh, this is the best feeling, boys. They can throw mine's going that way. I'll come that way.
Swapsies.
So, red goes down, red comes up.
Oh yeah, go. On the plastic.
That was just sitting the plastic in the water.
That fish was released, Nick. Safely too, so much strong.
Oh!
Popped it.
Here's a dropper.
I popped
The dropper.
Oh!
Hold this
it. Oh,
quickly.
next to the boat.
Strike one.
Strike one.
Strike one.
Yeah.
Stay right there. Thank you. Nothing.
For anybody watching, if he doesn't cut this out, I did tell Lincoln. We need to go a bigger hook and bigger leader.
No, I didn't pop it off because it hit something. It just I pulled too hard.
Oh, is it?
Whoa! Here.
Hey.
Silver whiting on the deal.
Oh, there we go again. Oh, that's a better one.
Oh, Jace, the screamer, Jace! Jace, get your rods in the water, man.
Oh, that's a better one.
I tell you what the fuck is this one.
Oh, we're gonna have to swap. Yeah.
Oh!
This guy is
my
big.
That's amazing. Oh, get him in there! Oh, I can't get him in there! Well done,
There we go.
That's a big boy.
Well, there we go. That's a good snapper on a little 75mm flicker from jigglefishing.com.au. Woo! That's doubles. Then now we've got doubles again.
It's all double.
Doubles for days.
Look at that bin. Look at that bin.
Oh, what have you done?
Something really naughty.
That's alright, I'll fix it.
You've done a wally.
Bullets go down, snapper come up. We're on a third, so the...
Wally, didn't you just put one back in the water?
Yeah, I think that's. Hey, Eamon, do you have a fish?
You keep going. I take it it's small, that's why you're passing it on, otherwise you won't pass on any fish.
That's what
We
Eamon
don't fall for that, Wally. Second hook's tied up. I like to loop it through the bottom there. Come back through. Expose as much as you can of the hook. A loop at the back. Hold the line. Cast it with the current. And there one, another one.
Yeah, I've got two in my hand.
We're on a triple.
So, triples.
Here, hold that.
So we're on a triple here, Link. Okay, so what they call this is...
look at that little silver.
Wow.
Another one we're going to release.
Wow! Whoa!
Into the water, Wally, come on.
I've been a bit slippery today, haven't I? Hey, look.
What's going on
Off you
here?
go.
Come
on.
down.
I don't know what's happened there. It's the rod over there.
Yeah, we're on the fish. On another one. So that's a
Hey, Lincoln, this is on the
so
silver.
one again. That's what you call a five-way
I'm
hook.
checking my bait and I'm on.
Another one.
Another.
Wow, this is awesome.
So if you didn't notice, I'm actually running two cameras to keep up with the action.
Look at that. Hey, let's look at that bin.
Oh, this is a
that.
nice one. So he's just woken up. It's what they call an angry red.
Look at the bend in that rod.
Now, for anybody who wants to know what rods they are, these are the beef sticks, 4 to 8 kilo. Graphite on the bottom, fiberglass up top, so it's a combination of both. Best of both worlds. For the wheels, it's a 4000 Tierra. Oh, another one there, another live hook up, another live hook up.
Well, gonna have to put these down for a second.
Cameras have had to go on.
So you got it?
Thank you. She's on there, Link. She's on there.
Nah.
No, she'll be on there. She'll be swimming towards you.
Okay, maybe there's a fish on there.
I told you there's a fish on there, Link. There's another one here. Oh, another one there as well. So that's what you call a 7 or 8 way. I'm not sure what you call that, Link.
Yeah, this is a try and juggle everything at once.
That's mayhem, isn't it?
Can I grab this
we're doing it well. There you go. Yeah, take that. Just don't press any buttons.
Alright, so she's still recording.
Yeah, still recording.
You love it?
Love it. Well, Eamon, I'm going to accept your phone calls more often.
So guys, look, it's all about the burley. all about the bait. And this is what you get the end result quality fish, as you can see.
Oh, this one's got a bit of go to it.
Oh yeah, look, no, they have. Look at, check out the size of this one, Nick. It's coming up there, you can see the colour in
Oh yeah, it's a good one.
It's got a 5 or 6 kilos worth of there. So that's all right. I'm sure you know the GoPro, mate, that's okay.
Oh wow.
Oh, come on, Wally.
That is beautiful.
So you can see the colour of that. That is unbelievable. That is unbelievable colour. So I'll just put that back in the water.
I haven't fished for that long, my arm's getting sore.
So we've got 2 here now. You want to let this one up, Ahmed? So
You've got 2 arms,
we'll release him now.
Already? 2 fish?
2 fish already sore.
That's how out of, oh, he's not bad, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, Link, that's a good one.
Well,
But what happens if you got a bullet, boys? They keep the fish around.
wow, this is a beautiful fish. Yeah, 100%.
Well, boys, I just caught my biggest snapper ever.
Wow, this is a pumper. You want to bring that net over, young son?
Woo.
You want to bring that net over, Ahmed?
Biggest snapper?
Yeah, how many snapper? Well done, mate.
Oh,
And he's still going, is he? He's a fighter, he's not giving up.
Well, he's going back in the water anyway, so I'm not sure what his problem is. You can open up that barrel.
yeah, opened up.
So, beautiful looking fish there.
There we go. That's now my biggest snapper ever. I know it's not that big, but that
is big.
effing humongous for me. But yeah, this fella's gonna be released. Swam strong.
Swam strong, there you go.
Well, you got to be pretty happy with a session like that. Like within, I don't know, 20-30 minutes, or even less than that, we bagged that big time. We did release all the snapper today, but freaking caught heaps, and that was my biggest snapper on soft plastics. That was a little 75mm from Jiggle Fishing, the flicker, and sick, did the job well. It's clean up time for the boat now. But how was that session, Eamon?
Oh, that was amazing.
Yeah, whereabouts do we go today?
So today we headed over to Black Rock. It's on the east side of Melbourne. We docked out of Williamstown and drove the whole way over there.
Is that a pretty good spot this time of year?
Oh, look, it is, yeah. It is a very good spot. Well, look, it hasn't fired in the last 3-4 years, but this year it's producing the goods, so that's the most important.
Well, what sort of depth did we start off at the start?
We're in between 5 to 7 meters.
Yeah. No, and that was pretty full on.
Oh, it was.
Film that little bit of an intro when we got there, trying to burley out and getting the baits out.
And then it was just on a double
Then it was freaking mayhem. Like,
was mayhem.
That was the best snapper session I've ever experienced. Had two cameras up and going. I was juggling them, and I was trying to get all the fish on camera, and I had to pretty much put this one between next to the old Harry's and pick up another rod, because otherwise we're just gonna lose a rod because we caught that many fish.
Yeah, well, it did. Well, we went from a 2-way to a 3-way to a 4-way, and look, guys, one thing I want, look, we released all the snapper today. You'll see plenty of footage that Link will put up. So the credit does go to Link today. He did catch the biggest fish, going at about 6.5 kilos. So you'll see lovely footage of that getting released today. Swam up strong.
On a plastic. Oh no, was that it? No, the bigger one. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at the video. They're both pretty big. Yeah. Because I got 2 big ones today. One was on bait and then one was on plastic. But I'm definitely gonna have to look at the footage. You've probably already seen it, but we'll have to go and have a look at it after.
Oh, definitely.
No worries. We'll see you around, guys. Don't forget.
Happy days.
Fish on Bait and Burley and Jiggle Fishing plastics sorted out. There's Wally in the background, rocking on, playing with the swan.
Always having fun.
Peace out, guys. See you next time.
See you, mate.